When it comes to home improvements, homeowners in Brandon are always looking for ways to enhance the value of their properties. One often overlooked yet highly effective upgrade is installing awning windows. These windows not only add an aesthetic appeal to a home but also provide a range of practical benefits that can significantly increase the overall value of your home. In this article, we'll explore how awning windows can enhance both the look and functionality of your Brandon home, making it a more attractive investment. Aesthetic appeal. Awning windows are a great way to give your home a fresh, modern look. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, awning windows open outward from the bottom, creating a unique visual element. This design can give your home an updated and stylish appearance, which can make a significant difference when it comes to curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to upgrade your space, adding awning windows can improve the exterior aesthetics, making your home stand out in the neighborhood. The clean lines and sleek design of awning windows complement a wide range of architectural styles. They work well in both modern and more traditional homes, offering versatility when it comes to design integration. For Brandon homeowners looking to increase their home's curb appeal, awning windows are an excellent choice. Natural light and ventilation. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to let in natural light while also providing ventilation. Because they open outward, they allow for a more open airflow compared to traditional windows. This feature is particularly beneficial for homes in areas like Brandon, where summer humidity can make indoor spaces feel stuffy. With the ability to open awning windows even during light rain, since the glass is angled downward, homeowners can enjoy fresh air while keeping the elements out. Natural light is a key factor in making a home feel inviting and spacious. Homes with abundant natural light tend to appear larger and more open, which can make your Brandon property more attractive to prospective buyers. If your home is on the smaller side, awning windows can create the illusion of more space by letting in light and making rooms feel brighter and airier. Energy efficiency. In today's market, energy efficiency is a key consideration for homebuyers. Installing energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to reduce heating and cooling costs, making your home more appealing to potential buyers. Awning windows are typically more energy efficient than other types of windows because they provide a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts from entering. This can help regulate your home's temperature more effectively, reducing the need for excessive heating or air conditioning. In a climate like Brandon's, where winters can be cold and summers can be hot, homeowners who prioritize energy efficiency can save money in the long run. Prospective buyers will appreciate knowing that the home is designed to reduce energy consumption, which can further increase the property's value. Security and durability. Awning windows are also known for their durability and security features. When closed, awning windows are often much harder to break into than other window types because they open outward rather than sliding open. This makes them an excellent option for ground-level windows or areas that require additional security. Their strong frames and locking mechanisms ensure that once closed, they are resistant to forced entry. Additionally, awning windows are highly durable and can withstand the elements better than many other window styles. In Brandon, where weather conditions can vary, the ability of awning windows to resist wind and rain is a major advantage. This added durability can increase the value of your home by reducing the need for maintenance and providing long-term protection against the elements. Increased property value. Ultimately, the combination of aesthetic appeal, functionality, energy efficiency, and security makes awning windows a wise investment for increasing the value of your Brandon home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that offer modern features, energy savings, and low maintenance, qualities that awning windows deliver in spades. When combined with other home improvements, installing awning windows can create a compelling selling point that can elevate the asking price of your property. In conclusion, upgrading to awning windows in your Brandon home can deliver numerous benefits that will boost both its value and its appeal to future buyers. Whether you're looking to make your home more comfortable, stylish, or secure, awning windows are a smart choice that offers practical and aesthetic advantages.